Hey crew, welcome to Berlin. I'm walking around with my good friend Wes here. We had big plans of going to this place called the GASOMETER, which is some big tower thing you can go up in, and it looks really cool. And I didn't realize till last night before we flew over here that you need reservations for it. We're still waiting to hear back, and I'm not sure if that's going to work out or not. We're on our way to a cool coffee shop right now. Hopefully that's someplace worth going to. I'm not sure what the day is going to hold. Ooh, someone from Berlin is calling.
Oh wow, excellent.
Hello, this is, yes. 6 o'clock? Yeah, that's great. Okay, yeah, we'll be there 15 minutes before 6. That sounds great. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I can't wait. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Well, they made room for us. That's awesome.
Yeah,
I think this is the coffee shop right here. We are here, and this looks awesome. So that's what we're going to be climbing. I can't wait. It sounds like we have our own private tour too, because we're paying for, they said the minimum was 4 people. We only have 2, so we're kind of paying for 4. But that means a private tour of this awesome structure.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Our guide just asked, do you want to go all the way to the top? Yes.
Yes, I'm
Of
down.
course we do. How many steps did you say?
420.
420 steps to the top. 78 meters, and we are almost there. This is the last staircase.
So, here we are. Welcome back.
This was
Good.
awesome. Thank you so much. Well, that was about one of the coolest things that I could have ever thought of doing.
Yes,
That was so good. It was cool to be up at the top of that thing, but the tour, you hear all about the history of Berlin, and it was absolutely phenomenal. If you're ever coming to Berlin, look up Gasometer Berlin. Send them an email. You have to make a reservation. Totally worth it. We'll see you on the next vlog. Have a great day.